Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of System.io and Shopify. If you're looking to start or grow an online business, you probably come across these two platforms. But here's the big question. Which one is actually better for building and scaling your online business? Let's find out. System.io is an all-in-one online business platform designed mainly for digital entrepreneurs, course creators, affiliate marketers, coaches, and freelancers. Instead of using multiple tools, System.io combines everything into one dashboard, which includes sales funnels, email marketing, online course hosting, automation, and affiliate management. The biggest selling point here is simplicity and affordability. You don't need 5 different subscriptions. Everything is built in. It's especially popular among beginners because you can literally launch a business for free and scale from there. How about Shopify? Shopify, on the other hand, is a dedicated e-commerce platform built specifically for selling products online. It includes physical products, dropshipping stores, large product catalogs, and retail and POS selling. Shopify is known for its powerful store builder, scalability, and professional storefronts. Unlike System.io, Shopify focuses heavily on inventory, shipping, and store management, making it ideal for serious online stores. Now, what are the features of these platforms? We start with System.io. Sales Funnel Builder. You can create high converting funnels with landing pages, checkout pages, upsells, and more. Email marketing. Yes, you have access to unlimited email campaigns, automation workflows, tagging, and segmentation, all built directly into the platform. Then there's the online courses and memberships part. Yeah, you can host and sell courses without needing external platforms, and you can also build and grow your community online. There's also affiliate management. Yes, you can create your own affiliate program and let others promote your products. There's also automation. You can automate your entire business from emails, tagging, workflows, and more. The e-commerce is also included, a simple one at that. You can sell digital and even physical products on System.io, but it's more funnel-based than store-based. How about Shopify? What are the main features? You have the full online store builder. You can create a professional e-commerce website with themes and customization. Inventory management. You can track stock, manage SKUs, and organize large product catalogs. Payment and checkout system. Yes, you can secure checkout with multiple payment gateways and global support. There are also apps store and integrations. Yes, thousands of apps for marketing, shipping, analytics, and more can be found on the App Store. There's the point of sale, POS. Yes, you can sell both online and in physical locations. There's also access to advanced reporting. Yes, you have detailed analytics to track sales and also to track performance. What is the pricing of both platforms like? For System.io, there's a free plan. Of course, it's limited to 3 funnels, 1 automation rule, and 1 custom domain with up to 2,000 contacts. There's a startup plan at $17, a webinar plan at $47, and an unlimited plan at $97. Of course, that's a monthly payment. If you want to do an annual one, it's reduced. You get 2 months free. Then for Shopify, there's the basic plan. If you pay yearly at $19 per month, a grow plan at $54 per month, an advanced plan at $299 per month, and a plus plan at $2,300 per month. There's a free trial for all of those plans, which makes it easy to try out. It's the same for System.io as well. There's a start for free offer where it allows you to test the features before committing to payment. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? For System.io, the pros, it's an all-in-one platform, it has a free plan, and it's very affordable. There's also built-in email marketing and automation. And the pros of Shopify, it has best-in-class e-commerce features, it's scalable for large businesses, and there are professional store designs with a huge app ecosystem. Now, what about the cons? For System.io, it's limited for large e-commerce stores, and the design templates are just basic. There are fewer integrations compared to Shopify. And the cons of Shopify? It's more expensive overall, and it requires paid apps for full functionality. It does not have an email system, so no email automation system. Which one is actually better? Well, the answer depends entirely on your business model. So if you focus on selling digital products, You focus on building funnels and email lists and running a low-cost online business, then System.io is the better choice. It gives you everything in one place, and you can literally start for free and scale gradually. But if your goal is to run a full online store, or you're selling physical products at scale, and you're also managing inventory, shipping, and logistics, then Shopify is the clear winner. It's more powerful, it's more scalable, and built specifically for e-commerce businesses. And that's it on the comparison of Shopify and System.io. If you're looking to try other alternatives you may explore, ClickFunnels, Wix e-commerce, and BigCommerce. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.